Hi everyone. So this is a very important video for TCS NQT 2026. In this video, we will be covering the whole roadmap for TCS NQT 2026 quantitative aptitude. We already covered about the verbal ability. Okay. Now in this video, we will be covering the roadmap for quantitative aptitude. Okay. Soon we will be making one roadmap for reasoning. Okay. And after completing this video, if you will watch this video till the end, okay, you will get a proper idea that which things you need to prepare for quant. Okay, because the most important part in TCS NQT is to prioritize the topic. Okay, if you will prioritize the topic, after prioritizing the topic only you can solve the questions, because you cannot prepare each and every topic at higher level. Okay, some topics you will prepare at medium level, some topics you will prepare at expert level. Okay, so this should be your strategy, the topics with the highest weightage and or the questions which are coming from the topics you should prepare them. Okay, in this video I will be talking about the whole quantitative aptitude. Make sure to like this video. First of all, let's talk about the sections. So quantitative aptitude will come in two sections. Okay, there will be 20 questions in 25 minutes in the foundation section. Okay, and even if you will not clear this foundation section, you will be not even eligible for TCS Ninja. And make sure there is a sectional cutoff. Sectional cutoff means you at least need to score 13-14 questions. Try to solve 14 questions from here, not 13-14, then between 12 to 13 questions are also fine. Okay, but at least try to score between 12 to 13, because it will be a secure score. Okay, in foundation section. Second one, advanced section, in which 7 question in 15 minutes. There will be you get 15 minutes a combined timer. It's a combined timer, not only for basically quant. There will be 7 questions from quant, 8 questions from reasoning. Okay, and there will be a combined timer here. Okay, in advanced section. Okay, so you can basically say like this. Okay, so now talking about this, basically there will be 20 questions in 25 minutes in foundation section. Okay, so this is the most important part and we will cover the topic wise things. Okay, first we will talk about the quantitative aptitude most important topics. Okay, because if we talk about foundation section, in the foundation section around 7 to 8 questions you will get only from these 5 topics. So these are the most important topics in quant. Okay, most important topic in quant. Okay, you will be getting maximum 7 to 8 questions only from these 5 topics. So believe me or not, if you will prepare very well in these 5 topics, almost your half work is done for TCS NQT quant. Okay, so these 5 topics, let's discuss about them. The first one with the most priority is simple interest and compound interest. Okay, so generally TCS can ask 2 to 3 questions alone from this topic, which is simple interest and compound interest. Okay, it's an easy topic in which you should know all the concepts of interest. Okay, compound interest, principal, amount, these things you should know. Okay, it's a formula based topic, formula and trick based topic. Okay, if you will practice the questions with the timer, because some questions can be lengthy from this. Okay, the only problem with topic is there could be lengthy questions from this. Definitely you will do very good. Okay, then there is data interpretation. Why it is in red? Because this topic will be included in advanced section as well. Okay, so all the topics which will be included in advanced section, they are in red. Okay, so data interpretation, all kind of charts. Okay, so we get bar charts, we get the line charts, we get the data tables. So these kind of questions you can expect in data interpretation. It is also a very important topic and TCS each and every year asks questions from it. Quadratic equation, so generally 1 to 2 question definitely you will be getting in your foundation section. So generally 1 to 2 questions from quadratic equation, because it's a small topic yet important, you will get in your foundation section. Again, very important. Profit and loss, again a important topic, profit and loss. And then time and work. These are most of these topics like simple interest, compound interest, profit loss, time and work are formula based topics. Okay, and the questions which will be coming in the exam from these topics will be lengthy and calculated. Calculative. Okay, so bhaiya, how should we prepare them? Okay, abhi I will be discussing about more topics, but see, Weightage wise, like how many questions you can expect and the practice sets you will be getting here in the mock test. So you can purchase the mock test. Okay, first thing you need to do is joining this WhatsApp group. So if you will join this WhatsApp group, you will be getting a clear idea, okay, like which topics and what kind of questions they will be asking. Okay, then there is daily test for practice. So these daily tests we are providing for each and every topic. There are a lot of topics available for your practice. Okay, apart from this, we have the practice sets. Okay, so in these practice sets there are more than 800 questions available for practice. Also in the daily test we are providing the practice question with step by step solutions you will be getting. Okay, TCS actual previous year questions based mock test also you will be getting here. Okay, so there are a lot of things to practice. There is coding sheet which you will be getting. Okay, coding sheets in which all the previous year questions of TCS as well as all MNC coding questions are included for your practice. Also cheat sheet for verbal abilities are included. Okay, so there are a lot of things. Okay, and daily practice sets we are providing. Also topic wise how you need to prepare, instructions we are giving in the WhatsApp group. So you can join the mock test series. It will help you a lot for your preparation. The link will be in the description. Okay, and most important part, all the questions you will be getting in the mock test series, that will be uh, TCS NQT level question. Okay, TCS NQT level question. Also, there is timer. Okay, so with timer, you will be giving the test. Now, these are the important topics, these four topics. So you can expect 6 to 7 questions only from these four topics only. Okay, so there is ratio and proportion, percentage, simplification, train, boats, speed, and distance. Okay, so including these four topics, you can expect around 6 questions. So these are also important topics. So first chart was for very important topics, then there is important topics in which you can expect 6 questions, in which this train, boats, speed, and distance is very very important. You can expect 2 to 4 questions from this topic alone. Also, this topic will be included in advanced section. Okay, so in advanced section as well you will be getting the question from this topic. So train based question, boats based question, speed, distance, time, these kind of questions, again formula based topic, lengthy and calculative questions you will be getting. Simplification, in which you need to simplify the equation. Percentage questions you will be getting, and ratio and proportion. So this is also a important topic. Now talking about other topics in which you can expect 6 to 7 questions. Okay, so 6 to 7 questions in foundation section you can expect from pipes, certain ages, mensuration, probability, permutation, combination, stats, number systems, and mixture allegation. Including all these topics, you can expect 6 to 7 questions, okay, in your exam. So you can also prepare for these topics, but you can keep them at last. Okay, at last you can keep them. First you can prepare for these topics. Okay, after preparing for these topics, you can go with the other topics which has 6 to 7 questions weightage. Okay, however, all these topics are important to prepare, and you will be getting the mock test for it in the description. Okay, with timer, also instruction with the weightage we are providing, the instructions also we are providing on the WhatsApp group, which you can use for your practice, and the price is only 199 rupees. Okay, so this will be the all topics for quantitative aptitude, but the most important part here, four topics here are very very important for the advanced section: mensuration, probability, permutation, combination, and stats. These are the four topics which you will be getting in your advanced section as well. So when you try to solve the advanced section, in the advanced section as well, you will be getting the questions from this. Okay, so this is everything for quant. Okay, topic wise breakdown, each and everything we have covered. Okay, and the most important part which you need to do in the quantitative ability is basically practicing the question. Okay, so basically you need to practice the question. This is the most important part with timer. Okay, so that's what you will be getting in the mock test. Also for quantitative aptitude, I'll just say that you will be not getting easy questions anywhere in TCS. Okay, mostly the questions will be of medium level. Okay, and questions will be calculative and lengthy. Okay, so basically the main issue with TCS is when you will be giving the exam, you will be finding, yeah, I can solve this question, but this question is taking 2 to 2.5 minutes. Okay, this is the main issue. The question is taking 2 to 5 minutes, but the ideal time for solving the question should be between 45 seconds to 1 minute. Okay, so A lot of practice is required for this one. You need to maintain your accuracy. Accuracy is very important. You need to maintain your accuracy with with timing. So accuracy and timing you can only achieve if you will practice a lot of questions with timer. Okay, so this is very important. Please use the timer which we have provided in the mock test, also the instruction for the topic wise preparation. The link will be in the description. Okay, I hope you have got the whole breakdown of the topic for the quantitative aptitude. Thank you so much for watching this video.